Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 F-550 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trailer brake controller, engine block heater, The Ford Super Duty F-550 is a real work truck built with Ford tradition for reliability, safety, and comfort. This heavy-duty work truck is ready to tackle the most demanding jobs. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.